Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us at Love the Skin You're in Fitness, where we are talking everything pelvic fitness and functional pain-free movement. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope to see more of you, and if you are returning, we are so glad to see you that you're back. Did you know that breathing can directly impact your pelvic floor? That's right. Depending on the way and techniques that you use to breathe, you can either hinder your pelvic floor or you can help and optimize it. There are things that you can do in your breathing techniques that will put downward pressure on the pelvic floor, and there are things that utilize natural connections in the body to help improve the tone and function of your pelvic floor just through breathing. I hope that you learned something today. We're going to keep going through this and learn more and more about breath techniques as we go through the videos.